It's Monday, June 13th, 2022, and I'm here with your social media holiday. Today is National Sewing Machine Day. Now, do the names Elias Howe or Isaac Singer mean anything to you? If you've ever taken a home ec course, or even worn clothes for that matter, then they should. Those two gentlemen are credited with the invention of the modern sewing machine, while the wheel, telephone, and personal computer get a lot of the glory for changing how humans live. The sewing machine is somewhat of an unsung hero. Without it, however, we'd still be squinting to thread needles and stitching together our shirts and suits by hand. Whether you want a simple set of curtains to block out the bright sun or just aren't satisfied by shopping off the rack, sewing machines are a handy appliance that deserves accolades. On National Sewing Machine Day, June 13th, the Japanese company Uniqlo is doing free alterations on all their pants and denim for today only. There you go, guys. Monday, June 13th, 2022, your social media holiday. Until next time, bye.